Hi, I wanted to give you a tour of Colorzilla, which is a wonderful tool for matching and getting the color names of colors that you find on the internet. So there's two ways to install Colorzilla. Colorzilla is an extension. I'm in Firefox browser right now, and I went to colorzilla.com, and if you just click on Colorzilla for Firefox and Chrome, it will take you to a web page where you can download and install it. Now, the other thing you can do is install it right from your browser. So in order to install an extension in Firefox, you go ahead and click on the open menu, you choose add-ons, and then choose extensions, and you'll see I already have it installed, but you can just go up here, type in Colorzilla, it will bring it up and you can install it. So it's very easy to install. Once it's installed, you'll see it shows up just as a little eyedropper up in your browser bar, and it looks the same whether it's in Chrome or Firefox. So what the eyedropper does is allow you to sample any color that you find on the internet. So here I have a picture of some beautiful flowers. And let's say that that red is a red that I really wanted to use in one of my images that I was creating. Well, all I have to do to find out that exact color red is to click on Colorzilla and go ahead and get the page color picker, and you'll see now I have a plus sign, a crosshair. And as I move it to the color red, you'll see up on the top of the screen, there's a little square that shows that exact color red. I get the RGB code for it, and I also get the hex color name for it. Now, if I move over here to yellow, you'll see that these yellow tulips have several different colors of yellow. So as I move my mouse around the yellow tulips, you'll see I can pick up different colors of yellow. So if this is the color yellow that I really wanted right here, now I have the RGB code and I have the hex code. And this is true wherever the crosshairs go. Now I'm on the grass, and again, you'll see there's all different color green on the grass. When I find the color that I want, there are the codes. So it's just that easy in order to pick the color names. Now you can use those RGB and hexadecimal color names to change the color of fonts, to change the color of lines, to change the color of fills, to change the colors of pretty much anything that you can color in any of the programs that you use. Now there's one other tool that I want to show you, and to do that I'm going to go to a website. So this is the Leadership Book Club podcast website, and I'm going to go back over to my eyedropper. Now I could, of course, get the color picker, and just as we did on the tulip picture, I can move the crosshairs around and I can get the color names for anything that's on the page. But let's say I really liked, so just in general, the theme, the palette that's available on this website. I can go to the eyedropper, to Colorzilla, and I can choose Website Color Analyzer. And once I click that, you'll see it's analyzing, and now it has shown me all the colors that are on this website. So just in one shot, I get all the colors on this website. And let's say I decided I want this sort of rust color one. If I click on it, there's my RGB code and there's my hexadecimal color code. So it's just that easy to use Colorzilla in order to find out the exact color names for any color that you see on the internet.